Adobe Creative Cloud Honest Review. Is it worth it for creatives? My user experience. Adobe Creative Cloud is a go-to software suite for designers, photographers, and video editors. But is it worth the subscription? I spent several months using it, and here's my honest review. Most people get this wrong, thinking Adobe is just Photoshop or Illustrator. The surprising truth is Creative Cloud offers over 20 apps, including Premiere Pro, After Effects, Lightroom, and InDesign, all integrated seamlessly for a complete creative workflow. Getting started is easy. After subscribing, I installed the apps I needed, and the Creative Cloud desktop app keeps everything updated. Cloud storage and Adobe fonts make asset management convenient, especially when working across multiple devices. Performance is excellent, though resource heavy. My laptop handled Photoshop and Premiere Pro smoothly, but older machines may struggle with video editing. Templates, presets, and tutorials accelerate learning and improve efficiency. One standout feature is cross-app integration. I could edit a photo in Lightroom, import it into Photoshop for advanced touch-ups, and then use it in InDesign or Premiere seamlessly. For collaborative projects, cloud sharing and Adobe Teams simplify feedback and version control. Pricing starts at a month for the full suite. It's higher than some alternatives, but for professionals, the investment is justified by quality, versatility, and continuous updates. In conclusion, Adobe Creative Cloud is worth it if you're serious about creativity and want access to industry-standard tools. From design to video, it provides everything needed to produce professional work efficiently.